Hey guys.
So guys, this is part 2.
And we're doing paint station.
We're picking new squishies, right?
Yeah. If we get the one.
Natalia.
Why are we telling secrets in front of our blog?
Well, I'm just gonna add it. Okay. Let's just pick new squishies. Wait, no, the blindfolded.
Bruh.
Yoink.
I'm so dumb. If I get the peanut, I can still draw it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You got 2, 3.
Wait, I know what this one is. It's that pastel pink cat.
Oh yeah, it is.
And I don't have pink in this station.
Okay, put it back. Are you peeking?
I'm not peeking. I know what the squishies feel like, which means I already know what they are.
4. Wait, no. 3,
You want to say hi to your mom?
Sure.
Okay, come on.
Wait, no, actually, no.
Okay.
I think this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Okay, my turn. Yoink. Yoink.
We need the paintbrush, right? Because we're in the painting station, right? Can we have a bowl of water?
Guys, like, I don't want you to make a mess and mess up the carpet. Like, Bubba's gonna be really
Dad,
mad.
we're painting on the paper.
I know, but like,
Wait, is this one mine?
That's that.
Yeah.
I know what this one
We
is.
don't have black in this station, so we're not count this one because it does. We don't have black in the station. It's just a black stress
2.
ball.
No. Wait. 3, 4, 5.
No, my stress ball. It keeps popping. It's fun to play with, like it.
I want to try it.
There's so much clay coming out. Let's stretch it. Let's stretch it.
I think that's just gonna rip it.
I know, but it's gonna be sense.
You get to keep half, and I get to keep half.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Can I draw first? Oh, wait. We don't have purple in the station. Yoink! Don't count this. We don't have purple.
I can use the dark blue.
Oh, it does kind of look like this purple. So.
I'm not gonna paint the rainbow peanut. I'm gonna paint the yellow peanut, right?
Yeah, because it's originally yellow. I just created the yellow. I mean rainbow. So what? The one I'm gonna draw is this one. Hopefully, I get orange or yellow. Either one of them will work.
Do you like my nails?
I can't see your nails. I can't.
The ground, right?
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Show them what I'm doing.
1 second.
Hopefully, I'm doing this right.
Oh my. No, that is terrible. Yo, this is terrible, guys.
Okay, I'm not gonna Yeah.
And you guys like,
I need a
look
bowl.
at this.
I need a bowl of water.
Dad, we need a bowl of water. Dad, please go get it.
No.
Please. Dad, please. We need it for a YouTube video.
Is it on? Oh no. Try to
See,
carry
you
it,
guys
but
got some stuff on the floor, didn't you? Look,
What?
there's paint on the floor.
That's not paint.
Yeah.
We got paint on the floor, dude.
what? We did not get paint.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. How do you guys like my new toe ring? And it's so cool because it's squishy.
Do not get the carpet wet, please.
Okay, don't get the carpet wet or the tissues wet.
Okay.
Here.
Because I have to know where I'm going with the water. Because if I accidentally spill it, because that can happen with my blindfolded, right?
Mhm.
Guess it kind of looks similar. I need yellow, but the only thing is I don't know if I'm gonna get yellow. Do you think I'm gonna get yellow?
No.